Hello, this is Terry with twohubs.com, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Fulcrum Racing 3 two-way fit wheel set. This is Fulcrum's most affordable tubeless compatible wheel, which comes in at 1,595 grams. So let's go into a few of the rim technologies that really set this wheel apart. The two-way fit technology will allow you to run an inner tube in a conventional tire or with a tubeless specific tire such as a Hutchinson Atom or a Hutchinson Fusion tire that we have here without an inner tube and at a much lower pressure. The advantages to this will be an increased contact patch for more stability in cornering, while also a lower pressure to decrease the rolling resistance, which seems counterintuitive, but what it does is the lower pressure decreases the amount of high-speed oscillations you get with an overinflated generic inner tube system. Compared to most wheels, which are built around an assembly lug, the Fulcrum Racing 3 two-way fits take advantage of Fulcrum's dynamic balance rim technology, which evenly distributes weight around the whole wheel set. Pay close attention as I perform a spin test to explain this more in depth. Here, as I hold the wheel with the valve located at the 12 o'clock and where the lug would be located here at the 6 o'clock, I'm going to now instigate a wheel spin. And what we would expect is for the lug, which is now located right here in front of my face, to end up spinning back down to the bottom. And here you're not seeing that due to the dynamic balance technology. I'll pull another wheel off the wall here, which does not take advantage of Fulcrum's technology. Here we have the lug located by my finger at the top. I'll instigate a little spin, and you'll find that the lug will end up at the 6 o'clock position. And that is essentially what the dynamic balance technology aims to prevent, and that is a jump or hop in the wheel. And for all you weight weenies out there, the Fulcrum Racing 3 two-way fits take advantage of Fulcrum's Stage 1 rim machining, which removes unnecessary rim material between the spokes, and also Fulcrum's renowned 2-to-1 spoke geometry, which leaves only one spoke for every 2 dry side spokes. The idea here is to remove the unnecessary weight of under-tension dry side spokes while ensuring proper wheel tension and subsequently power transfer to the dry side spokes. The Racing 3 two-way fits take advantage of Fulcrum's cup and cone bearing format, which reduces rolling resistance and also reduces cornering loads that a traditional cartridge bearing hub would experience. Also, the front and rear wheels do take advantage of Fulcrum's anti-spoke rotation geometry, which prevents the spoke, the arrow-bladed spoke here, from rotating on its axis as the wheel experiences loads and as time goes on through the life of the wheel. Oh, and I should add here, we have a Hutchinson Atom tubeless tire, which we mounted probably 3-4 weeks ago here, which is still holding air. It's getting close to flat now, but for about a week it held most of its air pressure, which we found very, very impressive. And for those of you that do or are looking for added protection that end up riding off the beaten path, we actually recommend running Stan's no-tube sealant here. Pouring about a scoop or maybe half a scoop inside your tire will provide you with that added bit of protection should you run over any little tiny burrs on the road. That concludes our presentation of the Racing 3 two-way fits. Should you have any questions for us, you know how to reach us. If you have any questions for me specifically, you can reach me by email. It's terry@twohubs.com. That's Terry @twohubs, TWOhubs.com. Well, that's about it. We look forward to seeing you on the road, and thanks for visiting twohubs.com.